Hey, it's Marco, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to see liked videos on YouTube, so the ones that you have liked. But before we start with the video, please subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So to check it, you need to open up the YouTube app. Now, if you don't already have the YouTube app on your phone, you can download it, but the steps are the same whether on your phone or your laptop. Now, next what you want to do is go to the bottom right and click on You. And basically here you will see all of your liked videos. Now, you won't be able to see those if you don't have your history turned on, unfortunately. But YouTube automatically creates this liked playlist, so sometimes even if you don't have the history on, you can see the liked video. And basically, as you can see under my playlists, you have liked videos, and you would just press on that, and basically here you will have all of your liked videos. You can have them sorted by videos or shorts. You can play them all, shuffle them all, like you can do whatever you want in here. And that's pretty much it. That's how you view it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having some issues, let me know what was the problem